Perfect timing. Join me in decluttering and organizing. And no, not my home office. I'm referring to business management tips to reduce manual work when you're self-employed. I'm Ivangellys, a solopreneur who runs a vintage furniture and prop rental business. As a vintage furniture curator, connoisseur, and rentee, keeping products clean and inventory organized is essential. As I like to say, tidy desk, tidy mind. The same also applies to how I run my one-person business. And a big first step of that organization is automated accounting. Accounting automation is the use of software to complete accounting tasks in real time without the need for manual data entry, giving business owners like me and you the freedom to focus on the bigger picture rather than the tedious, repetitive tasks. Advanced technology like this enables small business owners with little to no training to manage their small business accounting operations and comply with legal requirements, let alone do it with ease. Bringing in automation to your business management process can save you time so you can focus on the more important tasks, like closing a sale or traveling 10,000 miles to Italy to source the most beautiful vintage furniture piece for your self-employed business, which I will neither confirm nor deny doing once upon a time. I'm not here to gatekeep, so I'm going to let you in on my secret to keeping my finances in order, making sure my business runs smoothly. Come here. Come closer. There are automation tools that help solopreneurs build a solid foundation, track expenses, monitor cash flow, create financial reports, send invoices, and basically most of the usual tedious and sometimes confusing business management tasks. Imagine all the time you save and the headaches you avoid by having a tool that does all the financial and operational things I just mentioned. I can go on about why self-employed business owners should use automation to help them grow their business, especially when they already have so many hats to wear. Just to list a few of the benefits, automation can reduce human errors, make bookkeeping and tax preparation easier, manage cash flow with up-to-date insights, improve customer relationship management with more streamlined invoicing workflows, simplify business processes and reduce the need for multiple tools, and increase productivity. I'm feeling pretty pumped right now about organizing and reducing manual mess IRL, so I may just go and organize my home office, this time for real. Check out the QuickBooks blog resources below to learn more about how to run your business with ease. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more solopreneur tips.